Inspiro is happy to come up with its new module for essay writing. So basically, most of the students, when they come to us, they are like, "Sir, please give me list of 10 essays. I'll write them up and I'll mug them and I'll go and write it in the examination hall." So the problem with this approach is you do not know whether the same essay is going to come. And essay preparation is not like a GS answer preparation where you simply mug up some facts, where you mug up some points and then you go and replicate that one there. Essay is all about evolution. How you trace the essay, how you give the tempo to the essay, the build the essay, the introduction, the body of the essay, where you substantiate, take multiple dimensions, and then provide a comprehensive conclusion to the essay. So especially KPSC in the last years, if you see, they are given only two essays with your essay rating. Especially with one essay coming for 125 marks, you cannot simply mug up 10 standard essays and go to the examination and say like out of this 10 only I'm going to get the question and I'll be replicating the same points. Essay preparation should be from the foundation, from the basics as to how to build the essay, how to develop the essay, and how to brainstorm the essay. So to help you develop with this brainstorming techniques on how to develop the entire essay from the scratch in the examination hall, we are going to guide you by following what is a method called as 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2 essays. So basically, what does this 2 5 5 2 essay strategy is? So basically, we will give you two essay in the beginning where you come, you write the essay without any preparation so that we know where do you stand. So once that is done, in the second stage, we are going to give you 5 and 5 essays where each individual essay you have to do the brainstorming, come to your individual mentor who will be hand holding you throughout the essay preparation and who will be guiding you how to do the brainstorming for every essay from multiple dimensions. Say, for example, one essay, if it is from an Indian essay of anything related to India, Indian topic, or sociological essay, so we would have to have two dimensions. Say, for example, one dimension would be going by departmental wise, all the departments, how many our departments are there, we may go department wise and find out the reasons as to why so and so thing happened, or we may go subject wise, historical factors, geographical factors, cultural factors, ecological factors, economical factors. In this way we might have to go. But if the essay is of international relations, or if the essay is of some other multilateralism, so there we have to approach in a different manner. So your mentor is going to guide you through all these individual essays as to how to brainstorm, how to develop the points, how to develop the topic thoroughly from scratch to the conclusion. And then again at the end we are going to give you two more essays as a preparation or to come and write as an examination. So here to here, so how has your journey come up, that is what we are going to evaluate in the first set of essays, 14 essays. Second set of essays will also contain 14 essays. This will be mostly be based on philosophical or quote-based essays. So especially with KPSC changing its trend and changing its pattern, we expect or we may predict this time that they may go for a philosophical or quote-based essay. So we will be guiding you through this philosophical or quote-based essay also in the same manner where you'll come first time write two essays without any preparation or without any hand holding. Then the remaining 10 essays, once again, there will be hand holding. And the last two essays, you are going to check yourself as to how has the hand holding helped you. So to give you a small example as to how our student has performed, see, this was the first essay the student wrote. See, this was the brainstorming that she wrote. See, India's border disputes. Here she had written like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, China, Nepal, Afghanistan, everything in a single shot and said, "Sir, this is my brainstorming. How is it?" So once the faculty and the teacher thoroughly guided her, see, this is what she has come up with: India, Pakistan, India, Nepal, India, Bangladesh, and all the quotes that whatever can be used in the examination hall as to relate it to the border disputes or the neighboring relationships. So whatever neighborhood relationship, whatever quotes can be used in the exam hall, and how the facts, data, statistics, whatever needs to be added, all of that she has got through this brainstorming. So your faculty or your mentor is going to handhold you through all the essays from scratch so that you will develop a comprehensive methodology. Essay is not about mugging up 10 points and going and writing the same. Essay is all about methodology to develop the essay. You need to learn to develop the essay. You cannot prepare 10 essays of most important 10 essays. I will prepare that one, I will go and write. That won't help you. You need to learn how to develop the essay from the scratch to the conclusion. So the mentor is going to help you thoroughly. So now you must be asking, sir, you said 30 essays. How does it add up only 28 essays? So in the first round, we will be teaching you 14 essays in the form of 2 5 5 2, and in the second round also we will be teaching you 14 essays in the form of 2 5 5 and 2. So 2 essays to know your current status, hand holding, finally where have you reached. Again philosophical 2 essays to know your current status, hand holding, and then once again where do you stand. This will add up to 28 essays. Two more essays will be in the form of a examination once again at the end, where we'll be giving you one more test, so that the final push before your KPC tests you. So this is what we are going to guide you. This is what we'll be providing entire handholding material as to where to study, what all to study, how much to study, how to develop, and what are the key areas which you need to focus, and the themes. The essays will not be like random essays, it will be theme based essays, so that any question on women related, you should be able to develop the essay based on the theme that we have provided. Anything on science and technology, you should be able to develop. Any philosophical essay, you should be able to develop. So it will be theme based: women, science and technology, children, agriculture. In this manner, we'll be guiding you through all the theme based essays, so that any question or any essay that pops up in the examination hall, you can identify the theme from which that essay has come up, and the methodology which the mentor has taught you. So using that methodology, you will be able to comprehensively develop the entire essay and write a decent and a better essay compared to others, and get good marks. So hope you make use of this. Thanks everyone.